Right guys, welcome to day 5. Day 5 na tayo. So, kanina nasa Malabon kami. Ngayon, andito na kami sa bahay ni Dudut. Hello, say hello. Say hello, dali. You know. So, ngayon, nag-aantay lang kami na sunduin ni Carl kasi mag-check-in na kami sa hotel, sa Microtel. Kasi doon mangyayari yung mga wedding things for tomorrow. So, waiting na kami kay Carl. Pipick kami dito pa hotel. Check-in kami doon. See you later. Say later, Dudut. Sabi mo, dali. Oy, shy camera. Shy sa camera. Ayun o, shy siya. Dudut. Ayun o. See you later. See ya. Right guys, nakapag-check-in na kami dito sa Microtel. There's si Carlo. Hey! We're gonna visit our cousin's room in room 109. Hey!
Hello!
Oh, this is
You're on the vlog. Hello!
Hello cousins!
How are you?
Alright, pasok muna kami ha. Let's go. Right guys, nakapag-check-in na kami. So room tour, the standard. Yan. For shower, toilet, sink. Yan. Dito kasama namin sila mami later. Busy pa sila eh. Of course, the standard may cupboard, may television. You know. Yan. Tapos, what's good about this room and hotel, ang view namin is scaffolding. Very inspirational. Nakaka-inspired siya. Kasi, dito meron siyang parang cushion. So, you can hang out here and look at the scaffolding. Very inspiring kasi makikita mo yung framework. Dito natin masasabi na yung scaffolding bilang framework ng isang bagay-bagay. Parang gano'n siya. Very inspiring view, scaffolding. Let's go. Hey guys, kakatulog lang namin, nag-rest kami ng at least 1 hour. Nag-nap kami, andito kami ngayon sa poolside. Hey, golden hour. Hi love. Hey, 360 view. Let's go. Hey. Hi guys, meron kaming na-meet na friends dito sa rooftop. Who are you again?
Lindsay.
Yeah.
Mga bagong friends.
Hey, who are you again?
Carl.
How are you related to each other?
We're friends.
Ah,
We're more than friends.
Wow! baka sa'yo lang. So baka sa'yo lang, Carl.
Uy, tama na exposure ko. Yung sunset.
Sunset to. Oh. Ganda ng bagong nunaldilin na ha. Bagong.
Oo, pansin na yung matatakaan.
New friends. Hey. Hey guys, hey, hello. So marunong pa pala ako mag-drive. The only difference is I'm driving on the right side, not on the left side. Hey.
Hey.
Let's go. Ah, oh. May sports car to.
Korean tour.
Right guys, we're here with the family. We're going out for dinner. So, there's Denise and Louise, Marlon's daughter. And of course, my lovely wife, my parents, and my sister. We're trying to look for a restaurant for dinner. Let's go. Yun guys, nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. Yan, kumukuha siya ng siopaw. Ito may mga kinuha namin. Gatorade, chocolate, mango juice, tapos chippy. Ito yung mga snack na wala sa London kaya nag-hoard kami. Gusto namin tikman as much as possible.
Mas malaki lang siya.
Let's go. Alin? Yung siopaw. Ito yung mga food na wala sa London kaya pinatry natin kainin. Let's go.